Hello, hello. Happy Friday morning. Today is our last day of asynchronous learning. Next week, you guys are off school on Monday because it's Martin Luther King Day. So you have nothing virtual, you have nothing digital, you have nothing on Google Meets. We are all off, teachers included. However, if you are behind on your schoolwork, Monday is also a great day just to take an hour or two and crank out some of that missing work, okay? So just keep that in mind. I will be making a video about how schedule is going to look for next week, but I won't send that out probably until later today or even Sunday. I'll email it to you guys and your parents. So just keep that in mind. But for today's video, I'm just going to walk you through your assignments for today. It's going to be a very easy Friday. I hope you guys are okay with that. We're kind of calling it a catch-all day. Don't forget, you still have your special stuff that you have to do, okay? For Friday, here's today's video. You have a Blue-Kit. If you guys have never done homework Blue-Kits before, they are pretty much the same thing that we've been doing. You just can't do the ones like Crypto Hack and the competition ones because there's nobody to play against. So these are all ones that you can do by yourself, but this one I believe that I picked is Tower Defense, which one of my other students really likes this, and it's just about fractions, okay? It is like and unlike denominators, if I remember correctly. Don't forget ST math. So because you don't have a lot of schoolwork, today's a great day to get caught up on all that ST math, and you still have extra math, which is for a grade. Okay, so that is your Friday for math. Then let's see here, for science, if you look at your science agenda today, it literally just says catch all day. That means you have no assignments that you guys are responsible for today for science, but what I'm going to recommend to you is to go through all of your links and to make sure that you have clicked the submit button on all of these assignments, okay? So just keep that in mind. That's kind of what a catch all day is for, just to make sure everything is done. Then for reading, Mr. Kroger did his very similar to how I did mine. It's a catch-all day. You'll go to your modules. You just have one thing, and that is a review Blue-Kit. So same thing, you're playing a Blue-Kit to review some of your figurative language that you've been learning, as well as making sure you go back through your agenda and you're submitting every one of these assignments. Make sure you go through and click the blue submit button. If you don't click the blue submit button, it's the same thing as your paper hitting the floor in our classroom. Paper's on the floor, it goes in the trash, you get a 0. Okay, same idea. If you don't click the submit button, you get no credit for the assignment. And then for social studies, just like it has been all week, you have one social studies map assignment for today. The way that we are grading these map assignments is if you get 1 point for each day that you did. So the assignment for this is going to be out of 5 points. If you do all 5 days, you get all 5 points. If you do 3 days, you get 3 points. If you do 4 days, you get 4 points. If you do none of the days, you get a 0. Okay? So just keep that in mind, but you'll get on it the same way that you've been getting on it. Okay, guys? So that's all I have for you today. Like I said, nothing crazy. Be on the lookout for a video from me about schedules next week, as well as checking your email over the weekend from me about how you, like what your schedule is going to look like for next week, because everybody's schedule might be a little different based on what small groups you're going to be in. Okay? Thanks again, guys. I love you all. I can't wait to see you throughout the day today. Don't forget 9, 11, and 3. You can come on for help. Okay, guys? I'll talk to you later.